What are you doing?
What?
I see. What is that?
Shirt.
It's your shirt? Are you getting dressed?
Yeah, I do it. See my?
Did you put your shoes on too?
Yeah.
Good job. You took off your jammies?
Yeah, I do it.
You did do it. You're gonna do what? You're gonna put on your pants?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Picking at mites? Yeah, you have something yucky in your hair.
Mite?
Is it a mite? I was just kidding. Your mite went away.
Here's my toe.
There's your toes.
Oh, see my toe.
Oh, you can't see your toes?
No. To see my toes. Do this way.
Oh, you're gonna go that way? That's a good idea.
That's fine.
That is funny. You're funny.
Ow.
Do you want some help?
Yeah. I need help in my toe.
You need help with your clothes. Can you say please? And can you give Mommy a kiss? Okay, I'll help you.